Hey everybody, it's Mike with the Subscriber Webcast for Thursday, January the 14th, 2016. So, there's an old adage that we use in the room. Besides sell rallies, this is as sell rallies as you can get, but that the band ride lives, and the Bulls had a really huge opportunity yesterday to um, to stay above the Bollinger Bands, to begin to move up into the area of the weekly pivot, and to try to put together a multi-day rally. And whether this has fallen on its face for a period of days or whether it's just fallen on its face for today, that rally was sold. The Bears controlled the entire day. We went back down, re-engaged the lower Bollinger Band, and preserved what has already been a really impressive um, ride on the lower Bollinger Band on the daily chart. So what we've seen in the overnight is a move down to 74.5. That's a matching low. Um, as of now, it's tested and retested. We did 74.5. We did a higher low in the 78 area. They took it up to 98. Europe sold it on the open, took it all the way back down to 74.5, and we're currently trading, just under 1890. So it's got all the volatility you could ever want. Um, you have to be um, you have to have a plan as to risk. You need to control your size because the market is moving in some really gigantic chunks. We're talking about 28 down. We're talking about 24 up, 24 down, and another 15, 16 up just since last night. Uh, so where do we go from here? We've we've already made a new low versus the prior day low. There are a number of areas that are problematic for the Bulls. Uh, they didn't pay much attention to the old lows in the 1892 area last night, so it's more about 1898. Then you get up into 1910 uh, and the rest of the fail points from yesterday, and ultimately 1942 to 1944 just proved to be a bridge too far for the Bulls. As far as the downside goes, um, if you continue to push lower, 1865 is an area you need to look at. Um, and then you get down to 65, and I've got 1847, and that's about as deep as I'm willing to give you right now. Um, is there a multi-day rally in the works? Sure. Is everybody looking for it? Yep. And that's why we're not rallying. Bear market rallies tend to start, out of nowhere. They had an opportunity to start one up yesterday at the close. They had some really big negative ticks coming into, bouncing within a couple handles of the crazy town area that we use in the room, which was 81. We got along there, you know, it was a nice trade, but it wasn't the beginning of a meaningful rally. Is 74 going to be the beginning of a meaningful rally? I have no idea. Uh, but I'm long 79. We've taken, a good chunk of profits on that, and we've got a runner. And if it ends up being the move that sticks, then it's the move that sticks. But if it's not, we're not going to lose any money finding out. So you've got to control risk. You've got to control size. You've got to be careful in this environment. All right, everybody have a great day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trading well, everybody.